Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today, God, seriously, today I have my daughter here, Priscilla.
Hi guys.
So she's gonna do this with me because we're both excited, and actually she's gonna be doing this as well with me. So today, of course, I'm just gonna jump right in there. We are doing the unboxing and first impression of the Teami blends cleanse system, or whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, so I'm just so excited because I ordered this like over a month ago, like the 23rd of April or something like that, and it seemed like everyone wanted to get a cleanse, of course, because everyone is at home. And we just ourselves just been eating very, very bad, including just dinner today. We ate Chinese and I ate like 2 egg rolls. So I would definitely be needing a cleanse. So I've always wanted to try this, and I'm just gonna be opening the box as I talk to you guys. But I always wanted to try this, and I saw it on Instagram and everything, and all these good reviews about it. So it's finally here. Yay! So this is a first impression. I'm just opening this box. Let me go ahead and get the scissors in here. Of course, you got a lot of paper up in here. So I ordered two. I ordered 2 cleansing systems. They had, I think they had like a sale of like $80 something for the cleanse and the skinny tea and the tumbler, along with the little tea thingy. So, oh my God, this is like, I'm gonna rip this box up because it's like you can't even get it out. Look, this is what you get in here. So we got 2. So she has one. I have my own. I don't know what color that is yet, so I'm just handing her one of the boxes, and this is the other box. So they're very cute. They're very cute boxes. It has, so look, you can either slide it out. Oh no, it doesn't. So it says Detox starter pack. So this is the starter pack. So I ordered 2 of these because I also found on the web, I went to search for, like, first I started like watching some reviews and other channels, and then they had like their discounts or whatnot. But then I said, you know what, like, that's not enough. It's still kind of pricey. So what I did was I just went on Google and Googled discount for Teami blends, and this one came up for Easter. Easter had just passed, or yeah, Easter had literally just passed. So the code was so good, it was 30% off of orders of $99 and up. So because these 2 orders is like $80 each of the starting kits, I was able to pretty much get me one for free. So it was a very, very good deal. So of course I ordered 2 because I don't want to share my detox tea. So yay! So this is actually mine. No, I ordered purple.
Okay, this is mine.
Yeah. So when you open your box, it says it's pretty nice because it's like magnetic. So it's very easy to store your stuff in here if you want to store, you know, keep your things stored, or tea or whatever. And it says let the journey begin. So this is so cute. Look at that. And of course you have your tumbler here and your detox on the other side. So we have the Teami cleanse. So this is 15 bags, you guys. It's 15 bags. Oh my God. But yours is different. Look at what I got. Got like the caramel kind, and you got like the other stuff. So
This is for our cup, right?
yeah.
This
Thing is like literally everywhere. We're gonna have to freaking clean this thing. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the Teami colon. If you get 15 bags in here, okay, you can actually smell the tea as soon as you open the box. So this is what it looks like, guys. So it's 15 bags. And then you also get,
Wait, let me see your tea.
this one?
The same thing.
Yeah, the colon. And then you also get this tea little spoon strainer thing that you can actually put your tea in here and then, you know, put it in a little coffee mug, whatever case it is, and like drink it, or even other teas that you can use. I actually have one of these because I love tea. I love all kinds of teas. So I have one of these. So these are very handy, and they're silicone, so they're very nice and sturdy. So yay. So you get that, and then you get the skinny tea, which is this skinny tea. You can smell it through the back. Right away I can smell like chamomile in here. This is what it looks like. So this one is actually loose, as you can see, and the colon cleanse is in little baggies. So it's easier for you to get, I guess, the same portion of the colon cleanse. So this one, so I heard that, okay, so when you're supposed to start, you start with the skinny tea first in the morning to get you going, get your metabolism running.
And you have to drink it before breakfast.
Before breakfast, if you want to do if you want to fast in the morning, then you can do that. That is my plan. So my plan is to kind of fast in the morning while drinking the tea and then have a healthy breakfast. So we will be touching back with you guys within a month, because this is a month's worth of tea and herb cleanse. Okay. You also get in your box, you get the 30-day detox plan. So it kind of tells you what do you need to drink. You start with the skinny tea. So it says drink your Teami skinny every morning, best before breakfast, to boost your metabolism, raise your energy, and suppress your cravings naturally. You can actually reuse this tea 1 to 3 times daily, adding more hot water to your tumbler. And of course, it suggests for you to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. So you can actually use that same serving from the morning and use it throughout the day multiple times to keep, keep it going, for you to stay energized throughout the day. And of course, suppress your cravings, which that is very important. And then your colon tips, it says drink your Teami colon before bed, starting on day 2. So on the first day, you actually do not drink the colon. You wait till the second day, and then you drink it at night before going to bed. You can actually increase the steep gradually based on your body. So if it's easier for you to go to the restroom, because it's supposed to make you go. So if you think that you need more help going to the restroom, then you might have to steep it for a little bit longer. It does say for 1 to 3 minutes starting out, just to kind of see how your body's going to react with the colon cleanse. So maybe the first night you might want to try 3 minutes. See if that makes you go. If not, then you might want to leave it a little bit longer. Just depending on, on your body type and pretty much how much cleansing we need. And sometimes we have more buildup than others. So, of course, you guys will find out as you guys use it. And then on the very back, it has a little calendar here to use. So how to use it. So it tells you in day 1, your skinny tea, day 2, skinny colon, and so forth. So it kind of breaks down on here to make sure that you're checking off each and every day. So that's what it looks like. So that way you don't forget. You can take a picture or whatever, or just kind of keep it in your box with your tea throughout, your whole 30 days cleanse. And that way you can kind of check mark everything. So let's go ahead and start it. So I actually ordered the purple tumbler, and it's cute because even the box is purple. You get the purple. She ordered the I forgot what color this was called. It's not blue. Periwinkle, I think. Yeah, that's what it was called. So yeah, so it tells you on the back you have instructions on how to use the tumbler. Okay. Pretty much, step by step. And let's see. A lot of the reviews were saying that they were like, these tumblers were just very cheap. My first impression, it doesn't feel cheap. I mean, it feels like like a tumbler. I mean, I don't know what they expect for tumblers to feel like, but the plastic is definitely does not feel like cheap or like dollar store, you know, cheap material. Yeah, it seems sturdy. It is, you get the little strainer inside to keep your things in there. And then others even drink infused water in here throughout the day, which of course, oops, just dropped the top. So it's very handy because you keep your tea in there. You can drink water with fruit, whatever case it is. This bottom part opens up.
So you can use two or what?
So you can use this as a cup, but this is supposed to keep you from, I guess, touching the cup when it's hot with the tea, so it's double insulated, so you don't burn your hands. But you can actually just use it without it if you just want to drink water or whatever you want. Here the bottom part opens up as well, so it unscrews open, and you, I mean, I guess you can use that for like your daily vitamins and so forth. That's what probably I would do. That's just me. Or whatever other, I don't know, supplements you might drink, or tea, store tea in there. You know, I guess you can use multiple ways. So yeah, it's this actually also screws open. So if you just want to use this part of the cup or whatever. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I like it. So this is the cup. This is a tumbler, and there's a lot of colors that you can actually choose from. I personally started with purple because purple is my favorite. Always been my favorite. Yeah, so it seems like it's spill proof as well. So it closes, the clasp closes. So, and it has a little, you know, handle here, so you can take it on the go if you know, wherever you're going. But everything is, so far, first impression is good. It's good.
Yeah,
I'm happy with it. This, of course, I didn't get to open this in front of you guys, but this is, you know, your normal little tea, little, what do you call these things? I don't know. But of course, let's see. So this is squishy. Oh, so you just squeeze and pull it out. It's not like the one that I have bought it at this I think it was Teavana back then, and it was screw on the little container thing, so it's very, you know, user friendly. This one's a little weird because you just have to kind of like squeeze it back in there, as you guys can see. So it's just so this, the whole thing is just rubber or silicone, and you just squeeze it in there to place it back in place, and there you go. There you have it. You just put it in your little coffee mug or whatever with tea. And there, this thing is for you to kind of just let it rest in here. Yeah, like I said, I'm used to using these. It's neat. I'm not even gonna put it back in here, but so yeah, I mean, first impressions, I gotta say, I like it so far. I'm very excited to use it tomorrow. So tomorrow will be our day 1. So stay tuned. We will be back within 30 days and tell you guys what we thought, how it worked out, if it did work out for us, or, you know, whatever, or even taste wise. So far the smell, it smells good. Like I said, I love tea, and you can definitely smell it through the packaging, and it's not a bad smell. It's like you want to drink it already. So good. I love tea, guys. So yeah. Yeah, so that is all for today. I will keep you guys posted on our outcoming for this Teami tea detox. Yay! So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Woo!